Osteopathic articular balancing is about both assessment and treatment at the same time. Whilst we are assessing the joints and the tissues, we are also mobilizing those same tissues. And in doing so, we are altering and helping proprioception and causing proprioceptive change. Proprioception is intimately involved with the pain gate, which we will discuss later on. But being able to discern the difference between tissues which need help and those that do not is something that you will learn with practice. When assessing tissues, you build up in your own mind a portfolio of what is normal and what is not normal. And that is simply how we make our osteopathic diagnosis, by being able to identify tissues that need help. That is something that you will learn with practice. Articulation helps restore the functions of the joints, the muscles, the ligaments and the tendons supporting those joints, and also the nerve supply to the local tissues. All of this is essential, so we are also stimulating the blood supply and the lymphatic drainage from those tissues. When working through the spine, we are influencing the neurological supply to the tissues throughout the body. We are, with our OAB, restoring physiological health to the structure, and by improving the structure, we are therefore inevitably helping to restore function.